Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is Henry from Senior Financial Solution. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Henry, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. So the reason we're calling you today is in reference to your end-of-life financial planning. And we wanted to update you regarding brand new state-related final expense of life insurance plan, which is designed to cover 100% cost of funeral, burial, and cremation expenses. The good thing is that these plans are specially designed for people on fixed income, social security, and disability income. So may I know how old are you?
I am 61.
61. Got you, sir. And at the age of 61, do you make your financial decision by yourself?
Yeah, when I'm not drinking.
Okay. And you live in the state of Tennessee, right?
I'm sorry?
You are living in the state of Tennessee, right?
Living in the state of Tennessee?
You are living in the state of Tennessee?
Yeah, you know the Tennessee Vols, that team that loses all the time when they play. Yeah, that's it.
So, in order to get your codes from your local area, may I know your zip code?
That's 37412, I think. I'm not really sure. I just moved here.
Okay, not a problem.
I just moved here. I think.
Okay, not a big problem, not a big problem. So, you're living in the state of Tennessee, Chattanooga. In which city do you residing?
Yes, Chattanooga.
Chattanooga, yeah, your zip code is correct. So also, now let me ask you one fair question here. Today, if we are able to offer you something affordable that fits into your needs and fits into your budget regarding your final expenses, would you possibly consider starting this coverage in next 30 days? If you like it, then you would at least think about it, right?
Right.
Got you. And last question from my side. In order to get you some additional discount, I believe you do have a checking or saving account, right?
I did, but I don't know what happened to it.
Okay, not a big problem. So, you are 61. You born in 1960 or 1961?
Right.
In which year do you born?
Right.
You born in 1961 or 1960?
One.
Okay, and what was the month and the date, please?
December
Uh-huh.
the 24th. Right before Christmas.
December. Okay. All right. So, sir, that's pretty much information I'm looking to verify. Now, I'm quickly go ahead and bring my licensed agent so he will further assist you about the prices, benefits, and discounts. First of all, I will introduce you, then you take over the call, okay?
Okay, yeah, my mama wanted to give me back to Santa Claus a long time ago when I was born, but Santa Claus said I was too mean.
Okay. And sir, right now you are 60. In December, you will be 61, okay?
Right.
All right. So stay with me on the line. First of all, I will introduce you. So let me check.
Thank you for holding. My name is Harry. How may I assist?
Hi, Henry. I have prospect for you on the line. He is 60-year-old. Date of birth, December 21st, 1961. He residing in state of Tennessee with the zip code 37412. And he make his financial decision. So please guide him further.
Sure. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hey, thank you so much for staying on the line. My name is Harry. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good till I started talking to her. She was kind of rude.
Who the guy before me?
That was a guy or a girl? Whoever it was, they were really rude. Yeah, they told me that my feet...
Oh, what happened?
Yeah, she told me that my feet stink or something. Yeah, she was
Sometimes when they're nerdy into you.
she was acting really weird. She might have had something to drink or something. I don't know. Hey, hung up on me. That